Another email, Patrick Flynn, Margaux, do it with me. He says if you touch the nerve in between your eyebrows.
I think that's your third eye.
Let's see if we can get it unshut here. Dan, just like this, do it with us.
I don't have the hiccups anymore, though. Now I just feel like I'm getting a forehead
That
massage.
apparently takes your hiccups away. One more as we wrap up the show.
If I don't have hiccups, will it give me hiccups?
Well, I just want you to get
Is it
a
like a
feel for what
button
you're doing,
on
that's
off?
all.
I'm sorry I had hiccups. This has turned into a 7-hour ordeal.
I don't want to hear the word hiccups for a very long time after today.
Watch me get them tomorrow morning. It's like we're going to jinx it.